It's 12:39 a.m. in Charleston, South Carolina, and you are a melanated woman at home by herself, and you hear the birds going crazy outside. It's 12:39 a.m. So you step outside to go record the birds, and then you catch totally something different over your phone, y'all. This is crazy, y'all. Listen to this. You hear the birds? Keep listening. I don't know if that's one bird or many birds, but when she steps outside of the screen doors to take a closer look and record outside, it feels a lot ominous, y'all. And something starts growling through her phone, but she cannot hear it until she steps back inside to upload this video, y'all. Check this out. This is crazy. So at first, this howling starts to pop off. Y'all, and here's the growling. You still hear the howling. Y'all, look around the bushes. Look around the bushes. People are saying something in the bushes. But listen. What is that howling? What is that growling? Now listen to what she had to say. The lady who recorded the video, y'all, she looked shooken up talking about this.
Good morning, y'all. I think I caught an alien on my camera in my backyard on my phone. I was video recording the birds last night, and I caught an alien on my phone. I didn't see it or hear it, but when I went in to upload the video, because I was going to post it on TikTok, because it was about 12:35, 12:39 at night, and the caption was going to be, why are the birds chirping at 12:30 at night? And so when I went in the house to upload the video, I heard this growling on my video. So I thought it was something that I accidentally put on my video, but I didn't film the video through TikTok. I filmed it on my phone through the camera. So I didn't edit this video. I don't even know how to edit a video. And it was talking. Please go listen to the video. It's about 3 minutes long, but I promise you, it is a real footage of whatever I caught. I had a camera in my backyard, but the camera went out. The lights in my house went out. When I came in the house, the lights were off. The lights, two switches, two fuses were blown, and my phone stopped working.
Y'all, you can tell she's really shooken up by what she just experienced, because you can't hide. That's a visceral experience. Remember, I made a video about the Anunnaki tapping the military lines in Detroit, Michigan, and then when they stopped doing that, they started tapping the civilian lines. You see what's going on, y'all? Something is happening. But yes, y'all go check out her page and see the videos for yourself. Let me know what you guys think about this video. The shift is here. Something is here. Let's continue to get it. Peace in.